Let's carry on with the next video in this QuickBooks Online tutorial. I mentioned in the last video that if you haven't taken a break yet, then I suggest you do so. Go and have a break and then come back and carry on with this tutorial. I think you'll gain a lot more out of it if you're feeling refreshed, re-energized, and had a chance to focus on other things. So let's carry on. Before we look at recording bank payments, bank receipts, those sort of things, we need to ensure that there's a bank account actually added on QuickBooks Online. Now, QuickBooks Online has this feature where you can add a bank account by connecting the bank account to the software, and then payments and receipts from the bank account are automatically fed into the software and allocated automatically. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. It is quite self-explanatory, just like lots of things with QuickBooks. All you need to do is click connect and follow the instructions. I'm going to show you how to record things manually on the software. But like I said, before we can do that, we need to actually have a bank account added on QuickBooks Online. Now, the way you add a bank account or add any account on the nominal ledger is to go to accounting down the bottom here. So we've had a look at the dashboard, invoicing, expenses, and now we're looking at accounting. You'll then be taken to the chart of accounts. So these are all the accounts on QuickBooks Online. This is the nominal ledger. We have all our liability accounts, asset accounts, cost of sales accounts, income accounts, expense accounts. They're all on here. To add a new nominal account, all you need to do is go to the top right and click new. You'll notice though that you can filter these accounts by name. So if you're looking for a specific account like advertising, it might be easier to filter by name and place the accounts in alphabetical order. Then you can find the account you want. You can also filter by type, and there are some other options to filter the accounts also. So when you're happy to add an account, just go to the top right here, click new. So let's add a bank account. So we go to cash at bank and in hand, that's the category type. With cash on hand, this is the detail. We have client trust account, current, money market, rents held in trust, savings account. For most of you, you'll be using the current detail type or the savings. Most companies and businesses have a current bank account, a business current bank account, and also a business savings account. So let's click on current, name the account. So let's just say we bank with HSBC. So I'll do HSBC current. The description, you can add a description there. What I like to do is perhaps put the account number in the description. Might just help you identify this account easier in future. And then just go to save and close. You'll then notice if I go to H, we have HSBC current account. It's a current asset account, and that's now added on QuickBooks Online. Perhaps we want to add a new expense account. If we go to type, you'll see that there are a number of expense accounts already on QuickBooks Online: advertising, entertaining, cleaning, rates, rent, telephone, traveling, all the commonly used expense codes are on the nominal ledger already. But it could be that you need to add an expense code that's not on QuickBooks Online. It's very straightforward, just the same thing again. You go to the top right here, click new, choose the account. So it is an expenses account. Click on the detail with advertising, auto, finance costs, insurance. So let's do an insurance account, and we could name this motor insurance, and a description if you like, and then click save and close. And now this will be added to the nominal list. So we have motor insurance. Look, under expenses, it's an insurance account, insurance expense account. So very straightforward stuff. Now we have a bank account, the HSBC savings account. I can now start recording expenses and receipts to and from the bank account, and I'll show you how to do that in upcoming videos.